Hey everybody, Jason here, and we're going to be going over active track using the DJI Air 2S. We are here at one of my favorite beaches in sunny California.
Home point updated.
Let's go ahead and take off. I've flown here a bunch of times, so I'm quite used to where we are and what's allowed. All right, so let's see here. We kind of want to have this beautiful background. We have like an amazing rock feature over here. And when we're doing this, we want to make sure that we are in video first off. And then we also want to make sure that we're shooting in 4K and not 5.4K. So once we've selected the pixels, we can either select active shots, which is either manual or parallel. And if we do parallel, it will actually go with us as we walk. So I'm going to hit record. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to active shots, parallel, and then go. And now it's recording us. So now as we walk, the drone is moving, and we have to pay attention that the drone doesn't have any sensors on the sides. It only has front sensors. And now I'm going to go ahead and use the joystick. I'm going to go ahead and give it a little turn just to see what happens. All right, and now we're getting a better angle. I can still control it, so now I'm bringing the drone up, higher, but I'm not bringing the drone to the right or left. The drone is just actively following me as I walk, which is great for a run, and it's great for a bunch of different occasions. Let's see here. So now and now I can go for a run, and what's up? It looks great. I can walk this way and it's just following me. So this is active track, parallel mode. Using the same mode with the same features, just at 2x and running, this is what I came up with. I went as fast as I can in one direction and then back in the other direction. The drone was able to catch up, and I think it did a great job. Looks really good, 2x. Oh my God, where am I running to? Oh my God, psych. This is at 4x, and back to 2x. Let's go ahead and try the manual mode. So right here, we're gonna go from stop. We have the pixels selected. Let's start a new recording. Active shots, manual. And let's give this a shot. So as I walk, it should start to trail me behind. So now this is going to be more of a perspective from behind me. And there it is. I'm not touching the controller whatsoever. This is now following me in this direction. And the great thing about this is that when the drone is following me in this direction, it is able to sense things in the foreground. So if there was a tree here and a branch, it would go ahead and avoid that as an obstacle, which is much safer doing it this way than flying parallel. And I can see the drone is just going a little bit back and forth, which is so cool. So, and I still have full control. If I wanted to, I could, let's see here. I want to bring it a little lower, and I want to bring it a little closer to me maybe. Okay, and then now I'm talking to it, and I have it be lower and slower. Hey yo, there you have it. That is how you do active track, manual, and parallel. So we're gonna go ahead and stop that, but I'm sure you're asking, what about spotlight? Spotlight is when I just want to talk and move around, and the drone is just gonna look at me. So now the drone is staying isolated, it's staying right there, but as I walk around, it is just tracking me, and it is moving and following me. So that's cool. And you can see that the gimbal is also lowering down and coming up. At the same settings, this is me at 2x. The active track still does a really good job and stays really smooth. So I bet you're wondering what happens if I have it track me while I'm walking, while I'm flying. So right now where we are is very open. Don't really have that many obstacles, especially when I'm flying around 10 feet over. There's not many people here. There's some birds, so I have to pay attention. But as I walk, this active track will give me full control to go ahead and stay locked on me. And while I'm flying, I can control the plane. And let's go for a little walk. So I'm gonna go a little bit slower in Cinna. Here we go. Now it's right above me. You can tell that no matter what I do, as long as my subject is highlighted and selected, and I'm in spotlight and I'm flying around, the drone is gonna do what it needs to in order to keep me where I want it to be. Again, I can put myself into the right corner, the center of the frame, or the left-hand corner by using one of the joysticks and either turning it to the right or the left. It makes it really simple, so all you have to do while you're flying is pay attention to your drone in the air and take a look at the scene. Make sure that you're getting good content. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm very new to creating YouTube content, so making videos is only going to get better from here. But if you have any tips, suggestions, comments, anything that you might want to share with me that would enhance the experience, I'd love to hear it.